Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, felt the mansion.
Hi, how you doing, fam? With one of my videos. Today we're gonna be talking about the 2019 spoiler installation. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy it. Alright, guys. So first, what you gotta do is take this cover up over here and click these little ones. Really easy step, you know. Alright, guys. Now that we took this part out, all the clicks, now we have two little bolts over here. I don't know if you can see. This one over here, you're gonna need a size 10. We're gonna take this one over here and the other one on the other side over here. I'll recommend you guys using a magnet for this, just in case, because on my first spoiler, when I took that out, it fell off inside the trunk. It was a whole issue, so the magnet pretty much hold it.
Oh yeah, if you're balling by your bottles insane. Oh yeah, my man, if you're pimping your skirts and your ass is back and say. Oh yeah, my man, if you're willing to fight till you're fucking the night and say. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All I can see, all the mamas put your thongs up and party with me. On the count of 3, everybody claim where you're from. 1, 2, 3, the bottom. That's where I'm from, that's where I reside. That's what I represent till I die. Tuck your chains in, put your drinks down and your sets up and get wild for the night. Pitbull, right strike smooth like a Lexus.
Alright, guys, for the next step, I already unscrew everything, took the little clips, and now I'm gonna use the glue gun pretty much to take all the 3M around the whole stock spoiler, and then hopefully hope for the best. Alright, guys, so once you take the clicks out, you push it in. Little black ones have to unscrew. This thing should just pretty much, once you get the glue out, whoop, see? Without breaking it, nice and clean. For sale, by the way. Alright, guys, then we have to take this part out too for the spoiler. Since I don't have I'm not putting on the TRD anymore, so you have to take this part out. The TRD pretty much covers this part. So it's pretty much just glue into it. There we go, right here. So usually what I do is work with a 3N tape. It's a mess over here. Work with a 3N tape, double stick on, put it all around, and then yeah, just aim good. I did a little cheap work right here, covering the holes. Pretty much with like little mini wraps. I know the color's different, the tail is gonna cover it. The reason I do it is just because in case it rains and it goes through the spoiler, just in case. But other than that, it should be good to go. Now the hard part is measuring. Alright, guys, so pretty much just stick it in after that. Check all the edges, check everything just in case. You never know. I usually put like paint tape. You can really glue on. Alright, guys, so let's finish the spoiler. Let's put a little duct tape there. Get it really stuck in. Big shout out to my little brothers helping me out right there.
What's up, guys?
Alright, guys, don't forget to subscribe. The name will be down there. And next video for sure will be the TRD lip kit.
Z shit, it's a Z shit.